Okay, so first day's fishing, we're going to target a couple of reefs, maybe a wreck or two. We're going to be going for pollock, coley, maybe a ling, see how it goes. What you got, Ralph?
It's a bigger that nearly pulled Jeff in. Pollock. Pollock.
I think Jeff's is a bit bigger.
Bollocks to you too.
Yes, mate. Fantastic. Right, we're cooking up paella with seafood, some mussels, prawns, squid, and pollock. We've got a creamy, cheesy, garlicky, herby sauce, bit of mango, and some rice. Who wants to be the test pilot?
Absolutely marvellous, that, Simon.
There we go.
Good effort.